So on the rear installation, we're going to use our traditional studded clip. Just remove the nut right above the rotor, slide it onto the caliper bracket. And get it on all the way so it's right up against the casting. Right like that. And then I like to pull them this way. And again, I hook the bottom stud first, and you'll see it's a little bit short here, which is the way we engineer it. Just stretch that arm up and over that stud. Lock everything down to 25 inch-pounds. Now everything's locked down tight. Double check the clearance. Right here. Just do a quality check. Just make sure that you have at least 13 thousandths of clearance. This thing has a lot of clearance. But that strip is in your box. We use it as a feeler gauge. And we're ready to install the wheels.